It's a 2014 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, Bluetooth hands-free link, dual zone climate control, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.